Next question is multiplying by one decimal number to non-decimal number. Question number third. Only one I am doing for you. One is enough. That is G. 23.912 912 multiplied by 48. So we will again write and start doing multiplication. Okay. And here not to use decimal. We will write it last in the last. 8 2 is 16, carry 6. 8 1 is 8 1, 9. 8 9 is 72, carry 7. 8 3 is 24, 7, 32, 1, carry 3. 8 2 is 16, 3, 19. Use multiplication here. 4 2 is, and why we use multiplication sign? Why we don't write the digit from here? Because we shift one digit to next. That's why we shift the start our decimal, start writing the numbers from one digit after leaving first digit. Okay. 4 2 is 8. 4 1 is 4. 4 9 is 36. Carry 3. 4 9 is 36. Carry 3. 4 3 is 12 1 13. Sorry. 4 9 is 36. Carry 3. 4 3 is 12 or 3 15 5 carry 1. 4 2 is 8 1 9. Now add them. Here you can sign. We use sign add. 6 9 8 17 7 carry 1. 4 2 6 1 7 6 1 7 9 5 14 4 carry 1 9 1 10 1 11. Okay. And look at your decimal after number 1 2 3. Always count the decimal from right to left. 1 2 3. So 1 2 3. You will do right here. This is your answer. Okay. Now next question is decimal multiplication of decimal number to decimal number. Okay, means both sides that there will be decimal number. Question number 4. F 9.62 multiplied by 3.178. And look at here, there is 3 number and there is 4 number. So we will change the order in the next line. 3.178 multiplied by 9.62. And now multiply them. 2 8 is 16, carry 1. 2 7 is 41, 15. 2 1 is 2 1 3 and 2 3 is 6. 6 8 is 48, carry 4. 6 7 is 42 and 4 46, carry 4. 6 1 is 6, 4 10 is 0, carry 1. 6 1 is 6, 4 10 is 0, carry 1. 6 3 is 18 1, 19. Now again multiplying sign. Now the second place is also for, because we moved to third place. We left 2 place. That's why we left 2 place here. 9 8 is 72, carry 7. 9 7 is 63 and 7 70, carry 7. 9 1 is 9 and 7 16. 6 carry 1. 9 3 is 27 1 28. 6 5 8 13 3 carry 1. 3 6 9 9 3 6 9 2 11 1 12 carry 1. 6 1 7 9 6 15 5 carry 1. 8 1 9 9 1 10 0 carry 1 2 1 3. And the number of decimal 1 2 3 4 5. Count the all decimal place. Here is after 2 and here is after 3. So 2 plus 3 5. So use after 5 1 2 3 4 5. So decimal should be here. This is your answer. Okay. Exercise 2.6. And our first and second question will be solved based on division of 10,000, 100, 10,000. Okay. And it will solve like a multiplication. In the multiplication, decimal shift to right side, it will be multiplied by 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. But in the division, decimal shift to will shift to left side, it will be divided by 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Look at here, for example, question number first. First C, 21.376 divided by 10. So the answer will be 21.376 divided by 10. And there is 0, 1 0. So we will shift the decimal to one place. Okay. So the answer is 2.1376. Next, division by 100. So for F, we are taking as a question 192.68 divided by 100. 1 divided by 100. 192.68 upon 100. There is 2 0. So we will set the decimal in two places, 1 and 2. So on decimal will be used after 1, 1.9268. It is our answer. Okay. In question number second, division by 1000 and 100. We are taking second B as an example. 41.679 divided by 1000. 41.679 divided by 1000. So decimal will shift to 3 place because there is 3 0. So 1, 2 and 3. If there is nothing, so we have to use zeros. Okay. So the answer will be 0.041679. Okay, because 1, then 4, then we have to use 1 0 also. Then after, because we have to shift decimal in 3 places. Okay. Now decimal by division by 1000. Second H. 6.548 divided by 10,000. Okay. So decimal set to 4 digit. So for that we have to use 1, 2, 3. This is roughly I am writing. You can write in roughly but do correctly. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here. The answer will be 0.000658. This is your answer. And in the third question, simply you can solve because multiplying by the one decimal number to whole number. Like it, third G. 163 by 12. Okay. So we will divide 12 1 ja 12, 6 minus 2, 4. We will carry 3. 4 3 ja 36. Sorry, 12 4 12 3 ja 36. 30 minus 6, 7. And now there is nothing, no digit, so we will put sign of the decimal and carry 1 0. 12 5 ja 60. Then 10, there is one decimal, so we can increase 1 0 also. Okay, so 12 9 12 8 ja 96, 10 minus 6 4, and we can again increase 1 0. 12 3 ja 36, then 0. So look at here. Here if we start solving it, so again and again 4 will come. So this is our answer, 13.583. Okay.